Hey guys, welcome to Herren Tire Service here in Paragould, Arkansas. My name's Ivy Herren Jr. We are family owned and operated since 1968, serving Paragould, Arkansas, along with Northeast Arkansas and Southeast Missouri. We're looking forward to serving you as well, guys. What we're gonna do today is kind of show you what all our services offer, including our tire inventory, our wheel inventory, semi-trucks, all the goods, guys. Y'all come on, y'all follow me and we'll show you around. Guys, here at Herren Tire, we have a large variety of tires, including not only just Cooper tires, which are American-made tires. We have everywhere from Mastercraft to Firestone, Michelin, BF Goodrich, Yokohamas, Bridgestones, Dittos, and Toyo tires. Guys, here at Herren Tire Service, we take great pride in our customer service and helping you, the customer, find exactly what you need. We also offer a huge variety of wheels. Some of those wheels include Fuel Off-Roads, XD KMC wheels, American Forces, American Racing, Hostile wheels, Vision wheels, Ballistic wheels, Moto Metal, Black Rhino, as well as TIS wheels, top-of-the-line wheels for top-of-the-line vehicles and top-of-the-line customers just like you guys. And guys, for the deals that'll give you chills, you make sure to come see us here at Herren Tire Service, 700 East Kingshighway, Paragould, Arkansas.